Hello, if you are wondering how many eSIMs you can use on iPhone 16e, then here is the answer. If you are wondering how many you can use at the same time, then you can use maximum 2 eSIMs at the same time, as long as you don't also have nano SIMs inserted into the phone. So for example, if you are not from the United States, for example, in Europe, you have one nano SIM slot that you can use. So in that case, if you have nano SIM plus eSIM, then that's the maximum amount that you can get, because you can use 2 SIM variants at the same time. So if you have SIM card plus eSIM, then that's all you can get. If you don't use SIM card, then you can use 2 eSIMs. And if you are, for example, from United States, you don't have SIM cards, you can only use eSIM, so in that case you can use 2 anyway. And for example, in China, I think eSIM is not available at all, so this might not be applicable at all. And if you are wondering how many you can store at the same time, then the answer is up to 8. So you can have 8 eSIMs stored, but you can use maximum 2 at the same time. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!